Hello everyone, this is my review of his Pipeline Dredging Agent Drain Clog Remover. I used it on a slow draining sink drain, and within minutes, the clog started clearing. I just poured it in, added hot water, and the drain returned back to normal flow soon after. The formula is gentle enough that you don't have to worry about damaging your pipes or toilet glaze, which gave me confidence in using it around the house. It is versatile working on kitchen sinks, shower drains, toilets, and floor drains. Just pour it in and follow with hot water. A couple of things to keep in mind. The instructions aren't very clear on the container. You have to check online to get a better copy. Sometimes you have to use the whole bottle to tackle more stubborn clogs before seeing a difference. For tougher blockages, you might need a second application. Here I'm putting some hair in a cup and some of the drain cleaner so you can see it dissolving hair pretty good. Overall, I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.